This is VEY checking in. Just wanted to share my latest DIY project with everyone. I decided I wanted to make rotisserie hot dogs, and I had this old hot dog roller from an appliance from years ago, and I wanted to see if somehow I could integrate that into my grill. So just looking around my garage again for stuff that I could use to make this happen. And I guess first on the list was I used my rotisserie motor. I just flip it upside down and sit it on the handle of the grill. And I have a couple magnets there, you can see, holding it in place. And the next thing was I needed some type of a shaft to link up to the hot dog roller. And what I did there was I had a bunch of gutter screws, so I took one of them and I pounded the head of it down so that it would fit into the key or the receptacle of the motor. And then the other end I just got a socket that would link up to the hot dog roller bit. Right there it is. And in order to get the height correct, so everything would mesh correctly, as well as to hold it in place, I have these little clamps and they hold it in place so it doesn't move, and everything works. So that's my DIY rotisserie hot dogs, and I can't wait till they're done, because I haven't had any dinner yet. So if you like what you saw and you want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.